Oh, these puppies, they're so cute.
Now I got a video going. This time Wilson solicited her. See, he loves to play. He's being so good, not jumping on her.
He is.
And he doesn't run off too far.
Right, just
Good boy, Wilson.
Yeah.
Oh, get Fenway. Fenway, get him. Get him. Get that silly boy. Uh-oh. Now he's got the zoomies. That's where he goes way off. Here he comes.
Fenway waits for him to come back.
Yeah, smart girl. Oh, he must have to stop for water.
Yep, he did. He went and got a drink.
Kai says, will somebody please throw this Frisbee? Will someone please throw the Frisbee? Out. Kai, out. Thank you. Fenway or Wilson might be done. He does that when he's playing. He's just like, play. I'm done.
Yeah.
Just done.
It's okay.
Looks that way, doesn't it?
It's okay. He's trotting back up, hiding behind the tree. He thinks nobody can see him.
Wilson,
You want me to?
get Fenway. Get him, Fenway. Get him, here he comes. Hi, Will. Good boy.
Okay, I won't take it. It's yours. Oh, you guys are such good friends.
Are you done playing with Fenway for now? I know, he's like that. Hi, sweetie, smile. Oh, pumpkin. Oh, get him. He pees, and then she pees, and then he pees again. Oh, yeah, I know it. He's like that, Fenway.
That's all right.
He just stops playing sometimes. Oh, there we go. There we go. I know. Keep at him, Fenway.
Well, you have to let me take
I know. Tell him out and leave it. Yeah.
Yeah, Fenway, when she chases rabbits,
Okay, all done for now?